Hey there, guys. I just went to the door and there was a package. So I am going to erase my address while you watch Foofy eat his treats. And listen to this wonderful music that I love. And I felt so off when I was filming earlier because it was not on. Okay, my marker's not working. Isn't it the way it always goes? But I know what's in here. I know what's in here. It's the Elizabeth Ward dupe that I ordered. So let's get it opened so we can see. Because the one I have on my desk is a bead storage case. This one was a dupe. It did come from China Post, and I think it took a couple of weeks. They said it was going to be here in a week, and then, you know, they change it, and they go, oh, no, 2 weeks, but free shipping, so. Wrapped very nicely, I will say that. Shipping center in Illinois. So it made a pit stop there. Okay. Very, very nicely, very intensely wrapped. I mean, for free shipping and the price, I think it was like $20-something. I have to get on my eBay. I have been selling stuff without even realizing that I'm selling stuff because I opened an eBay store because I just wasn't doing eBay like I used to. And, you know, I was just like, listen, I'll put it in a store until it sells, and it seems like everything is selling all at once. Good news, I guess. People have extra money to buy stuff. My eBay name, in case you're interested, is Sorry Love, It's Mine. Sorry Love, It's Mine. That's my eBay. I think I have I must have mainly craft stuff there. I don't have anything from the diamond painting world though. I don't know what's on there actually. Maybe stuff from my old home. I don't know. Like I said, I wasn't doing it like I used to. I was selling a lot before, and then there's a second bubble wrap on here. I'm going to give my son all this bubble wrap because he's very on top of his eBay store. Okay, it looks and another protective cover. Oh, okay. The cover. Well, this doesn't happen. The handle doesn't fall off. I'm looking for my cover. Let me see. Let me try not to slip on the bubble wrap. So this is my Elizabeth Ward. And this is their dupe. Yeah, you can see there's holes. Are there holes? It's like a little, oh, so it clips around here. So there's little bumps there. Whereas the Elizabeth Ward has a step. No picky. Okay, let's see. I could tell the cases are a little different. Absolutely, I could tell right off the bat they're a little different. Not really though, are they? I don't know, I can't tell. Oh my God. Okay, drop everything on the floor. I don't know if these are the super... Okay, let me get one that's empty. This is kind of sort of empty. It's a little bit bigger. This one's a little bit bigger than the average one. And you can see the Elizabeth Wards are kind of rounded edges. This is the Elizabeth Ward. And these are kind of just... You could tell the edge, the cap, the lid is rounded off. Whereas this one It's not. It's just square. You can see that there's like a little 1/8 of an inch lip there. They open the same way. They sound almost the same when they close. They are bigger. Height-wise, maybe they're not bigger. It looks like the Elizabeth Ward is bigger. They're both rounded like the same way. I know it seems ridiculous, like, I don't know. The Elizabeth Wards are bigger, right? Made in China. Elizabeth Wards say made in China too. I don't know that there's that much difference. Somebody had my measuring tape. I wonder who. Five. So I'm crazy. 3. No, the lid on the Elizabeth Wards are 3, and the lid on these, nope, it's 3. Oh my God, let me have more coffee. I have my espresso here. Maybe not, they seem, maybe it's this slope in here, this little finger thing. It looks different. But, you know, I will put it up and I will tell you, I ordered it off of Amazon. I ordered 2 of them, but they were 2 different dealers. Now, why did this little, yeah, the handles aren't as made as well as the Elizabeth Ward. But hey, I was in a, let me see how they slide in here. Let's see how it closes. Oh, I see. They close with, when you bring the handle up, this little bump here fits into the handle. Now this one that I snapped on, I don't hear a click there. Yeah, I'll have to look at this handle. I'm doing it with all you guys watching. Oh, maybe I put it in wrong. No, I don't think I put it in wrong. It's just not as secure as I would like. It's secure on one side, really tight, but not like the Elizabeth Ward. But it's a dupe. And let me see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and then another 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So what did I say? 60, 78. Right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 78. 78 containers. I needed something. I didn't feel like spending 60 bucks on one tray. I needed to kit up. These are all the same size, right? Yeah. I needed to kit up. I will try it with Night's Rest. I will kit that up. I want to get ready for summer with the Masters. And I'll give it a shot when I do summer with the masters, and we'll see how it goes. And I'll leave the information. If it's not that big of a deal to you, like it really isn't to me, you know, just to have a spare on hand. And then I have another one coming. I have a second one coming. For like 20 bucks. It'll do the job. And I'm out again. I'm out. I feel like I'm tanking. I'm tanking. I thought maybe it was because I didn't have my coffee this morning because I'm trying to cut back. But I don't think it is. I think I need to rest. Anyway, the music is beautiful. I love it. I love this station. It's called The Magical Garden. I'm going to get in trouble because I don't think it's copyright. I thought it was the last time. I don't think they flagged me. It is such a pretty, you know, screensaver to have on your television. And I love to do yoga to this. And I love to write to this. And I love to do my diamond painting to this. But I have a microphone on my phone. It's kind of like, I don't know, it's like Steven Spielberg quality. It's like movie quality. And even if I have this on really, really low, it sounds like it sounds like I'm filming next to a boom box, which is nice, but you guys want to hear me, not my music. But if you're into this kind of music, meditation, yoga music, it's a great, great, great channel. I'll link it. All right, I'm out again. I gotta go make chicken cutlets. Bye.